All here from Clean, just washing down this fence. This customer is preparing their property for sale. I want to show you, this is bird poo obviously, and there's a number of sections where it's on there. I want to show you working with cold water. Okay, I've got the pressure cleaner on full blast. See, I haven't shifted it one bit. Now I'm going to turn on the hot water. This is hot water at pressure, 60 degrees. Just got to wait for it to come through. And I'm not even working at as intense a pressure as I was with the cold water. I'm nowhere near the same PSI and pressure. There you go, folks. There's the difference, completely gone. It's the difference between hot water and cold water, and it's unbeatable.